Alright, so I'm out here in my pond trying to find a leak that we've had for several years. So it's just created, it's a small leak and it's just right above the liner edge, so that makes it even more difficult because it's just enough to where over a period of hours or even maybe a day or so, the water level will drop just, maybe an inch, or maybe if I fill it all the way up, it may drop an inch and a half, 2 to 3 inches at the most. But what happens is that drops below my skimmer level, or darn near below my skimmer, so that when my pump's on circulating the water, it just dries out the skimmer well too fast because the pump's pumping the water out too fast because the water's dropped. So what I'm doing is I've got a squirt bottle with 2% milk, and what I'm doing, I'm just kind of squirting the water in the pond as we go, and it kind of makes like a cloud. But I've noticed over here in this corner, if I let it set long enough, it starts making a streak. So, and all the streak kind of comes into this corner. So I have a feeling under this big rock is at least one leak. So I'm going to mark that with another rock here, just so I know to come back and check on it. And then I'll do the rest of the pond when I get to it. I've done most of it. That's the only one that popped out at me. But see, here's the skimmer with the lid off. So if that skimmer water isn't, about halfway up, the pump pumps more water than the skimmer can fill it with. And see, this is water level should be about an inch more up. So like I said, it's a good thing that the leak is high, because the water will stop leaking at the level where the leak is at. Does that make sense? So that tells me that leak is somewhere in the liner or the perimeter of the pond, probably up about, like I said, an inch or so. So I added about a ½ inch or so of water, and I'm just going to meticulously go through here trying to find a leak.